Hello and welcome back to the Astronauts to Zippers video series. This is Level 2, Lesson 17. Your teacher will guide you through the lesson. Feel free to pause or repeat sections of the video whenever you need to. And remember, we're proud of you for working hard and learning to read, write, and spell.
First things first. Unless you are certain that you know all of the letter names and sounds, sing along with the basic ABC lesson before beginning this lesson. Hello and welcome back. We're going to start today's lesson by opening our workbooks to page 50. On this page, we're going to find out how well you can spell these words that you know. Listen as I say the word and use it in a sentence, and then say it again before you write it. Just tap pause each time you write and take all the time you need. Next to the dog, write the word mend. Can you mend his shirt? Mend. Next to the star, write the word insects. There are insects on the mat. Insects. Next to the dinosaur, write the word the. Do you want to go to the movie? The. Next to the tree, write the word said. He said, "Good morning." Said. Next to the eye, write the word sell. I think you should sell that house. Sell. Next to the chair, write the word end. I am almost at the end of my book. End. Next to the cake, write the word slit. Her skirt has a slit in it. Slit. Next to the moon, write the word mess. They made a mess in the kitchen. Mess. Next to the turtle, write the word held. He held the door open for her. Held. Next to the cup, write the word dent. I put a dent in my fender. Dent. Next to the mitten, write the word attic. We will put the beach chairs in the attic. Attic. Next to the key, write the word smells. It smells bad in here. Smells. Now use this page to check your work and make any corrections that are needed. When you have finished, we're going to read a book. Great. We're going to read a book now. Look at the drawing and read the title. Have you ever slept in a tent? What do you think might happen in this story? Let's read the story and see if you guessed correctly. Who are these guys? Let's find out. Read the page. Do you think the boys are excited about getting a tent? What do you think they will do in the tent? The tent looks like it has some problems. Let's read and see what the boys will do about it. They are disappointed. What do you think they will do? Read this page and see what they do. They have a mess. Let's read the next page. Ted looks very sad. Read the page. Do you think they should just throw away the tent? Let's read and see what they are saying. Ted has an idea. What is another word that means the same as mend? Right. Mend means fix or repair. Do you think the boys can mend the tent? All right, they did it, and the tent looks great. Let's read. Did you like Ned and Ted? Excellent job reading. Now we're on to page 51. Read the title of the exercise. That is the same as the title of the book you just read. I think this exercise is to see what you remember about the book. Read the words in the box and then read sentence number 1. Did you notice that the word attic is written on the first sentence? You are to read each sentence and fill in the blank with a word from the box that makes the sentence tell about something that was in the book. Just pause the video here until you finish your work.
Please pause the video here as long as you need to, so you can complete the task.
Now you can use this page to check and correct your work. Just tap pause until you are finished. Excellent. Now we're on to page 52. The first two words are words that you are to practice writing. Pause the video until you finish. Next to the dog, there are two irregular words that you have learned. Write these words. Tap pause until you're done. Read the four words next to the turtle. Now you are to select a word from the list next to the mitten that rhymes with each of the words next to the turtle and write the rhyming words next to the word that it rhymes with. Pause the video until you finish. What do you see in the drawings? Correct. These are elves. What is the beginning sound of the word elf or elves? Right. Elf and elves begin with the sound eh. This is a fun test of your ability to listen and follow directions. Do not begin until I have told you all three things to do, okay? You are to color the elf's suits as follows. 1. The elf in front of the sleigh has a green suit. 2. The elf behind the sleigh has a red suit. And 3. The elf in the sleigh has a yellow suit. Pause the video here until you finish. Now use this page to check and correct your work. Just tap pause until you are done. Great. Now we're on to page 53. On this page, a part of a word you know is on each line. You are to blend the sounds together, say each word starter to yourself, and then add the letter sound or letter sound cluster to make it say a real word. Let's do the first one together. Say the sound of M and say the sound of A and put these together to say ma. Now, if you add the sound of D, you would say mad. Is mad a word that you know? Yes. So add the D to the first word starter. Mark out each letter or letter cluster as you use it.
Please pause the video here as long as you need to, so you can complete the task.
Excellent. Now you can use this page to check and correct your work. When you have finished, you have reached the end of the lesson. Congratulations.
Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 17 of Level 2. You may review it as many times as you wish. When you're ready to continue to the next lesson, select video number 42.